Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to send money internationally with Revolut. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Revolut account on your phone, and once you open Revolut, click on this icon with these two arrows right here, and after that click on the new button on the top right side, and after that you'll have to choose send international, and now go and choose the country that you want to send money to. So in my case I will use United States. After that you'll need to enter the amount of money and the transfer method by clicking on transfer method right here, and you will be able to choose the transfer method that you want to add. So here you have two methods, the bank account and the card. After that you'll have to choose the schedule time or the time that you want to send him money to. Then click on continue. Then you will need to add the individual information, including the account number, the routing number, the first and middle names, last name, email, etc. And after that, click on continue or click on add recipient, and you're all done. And this is how you can actually send money internationally with Revolut. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.